Students, I am Rajeshri Venkatramanan. Today, I am going to read a small portion of English shorthand for the beginners, for helping the beginners. Take your book. Mr. Speaker, Sir. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, M. R. Hook, surplus P. K. R. Hook. This is Mr. Speaker. Sir. This is Sir. Comma. I thank you. I thank you. I diphthong, sir, surplus downward R. Join diphthong, I, it, you diphthong. I thank you very much. V, R hook, M, che. Very much. For the opportunity. P, hard, R hook on the line. Opportunity. Given. G, N hook, given. To me. To participate, you see, P, Re, T, surplus, P hard. Participate, P, Re, T, surplus, P hard. Participate. In the general discussion. General. J, N hook. S, N hook. General discussion. D, surplus, K, Shanuk. General discussion. On the interim. N, T, R hook, M, interim. Then interim, budget, B, J, budget. Presented. P, R hook, surplus, N hard, presented, T hard. P, R hook, surplus, N hard, and T hard, presented. To the. This is grammar log. Houses. Presented to the house. Upward edge. House. By the. Take the is used here. By the honorable. You see, honorable. Honorable. Honorable finance minister. Finance minister. Star loop. F, N hook, N, star loop. Because we cannot we omit M. Only N, star loop. Then I do not want. I, D hard, N hook. I do not want. W, N hard, N hook, hard. I do not want to take. To sorry, to take. To take. Much. Che, grammar lock. Much of the. Much of the time. T, M. I diphthong. Time of the house. Of the house. Full stop. I will. I will. Here contraction I. Will only. I will only. Highlight. Downward edge. Upward L, hard. Then I diphthong. Highlight. Some of the. Surplus M of the. Some of the. Salient. Surplus L hard, N hook. Salient. Surplus L, upward L hard, N hook. Salient. Features. F doubled. Features. F doubled. Features. This is a doubling principle. Features of the interim. N, ter, M. Interim budget. B, J. Okay, we can read. Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you very much for the opportunity given to me to participate in the general discussion on the interim budget presented to the House by the Honorable Finance Minister. I do not want to take much of the time of the House. I will only highlight some of the salient features of the interim budget. So practice minimum 20 times, then only these outlines are familiar. After that you transcribe into English also. Okay.